Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a playlist in Spotify. So first of all, just open up the Spotify application, then tap on this your library option. When you are here, you have to tap on this plus icon in the top right corner and you will see these options. Tap on this playlist. You can now go and name your playlist. Let's say I'm going for this practice here. Then simply tap on this create like this and you will then be taken into your new playlist. Now what you can do is you can download the music, but you have to make sure that you have Spotify Premium to download music. Now tap on this add to this playlist and now you can easily select the songs for your playlist. Let's say these songs are selected, and now if you go back to your playlist, as you can see, the songs are added to this playlist. So that's how you can create playlist on Spotify. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.